Hello everybody, Genesis here. This is episode 12 of my hardcore Minecraft series. Now, I didn't I'm such an idiot. I thought I was if you're wondering what these chests are, they're filled with gunpowder. I wasn't recording for a long time because I was doing this, but these don't have anything, but who cares. But I'm such an idiot. I didn't record the when I was building the gold farm. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm gonna try and make it up to you guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try and make it up to you guys by expanding. Also, I don't know why my thing is glitched. My hand is so glitched. I don't know why. It's not even whatever. So I think I should expand the gold farm for you guys because I'm an idiot and yeah. First I need rockets, hold up. Let's get the gunpowder. Let's get some gunpowder since I ran out of rockets. Let's get that much and then let's harvest the sugarcane farm. Hold up. Let's harvest a sugarcane farm. Hello cows, okay. Let's harvest this. Also, I need to expand my sugarcane farms, so yeah. I'll expand that next episode. Oh, not expand. Make a design. Actually make a design. So yeah. Okay. Yep. Yep. Let's get all of these. Okay. Not that. Nice. Okay. Next, let's do this. Oh crap. Whew. That scared me a little. I don't have any food on me. Are you kidding me? Okay, whatever. Let's check. Nope. Nope. Do I seriously not? Okay, I need to kill some cows. Hold up. I need to genuinely kill some cows. Let me just make. Let me just make paper. Nice and firework and firework. Okay. Let's put all of these. Uh, uh, this. Still some cows. Only a bit though. Only a bit. Just kill a few. That should be enough. Yep, 30 is good. Okay. So I will go. Sorry. I will go back to the stronghold and actually get some like. But I may also set my spawn. I want to get lost. Let's set my spawn point. Then okay, I'm finally full hunger. Okay, whatever. Let's set my spawn back. And let's go to the thingy to the okay, I'll see you guys when we get to the end. We are at the stronghold. Now you're probably wondering why am I here? Okay, no one's wondering that. Okay. Because I am gonna get obsidian. Why am I gonna get obsidian? Because no, I'm joking. Because I need it to make the no, not the gunpowder. Why did you say gunpowder? Never. To make to expand the gold farm. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, I don't remember going down and finding this. No, 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 no. I never went that way, so I think it's this. Wait. Oh, nope. I just got the emeralds. Okay. I already have a lot of emeralds. Oh yeah, I was tapping the few, but okay. the? Did they come here? Didn't I come here already? Hold up. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna get... Okay, I got another eye. Whatever. Nice. I want every single one in the game. I don't know. Let's go here. I can't find this. I don't know why. I remember I keep finding it. I don't know why I can't find it. Another eye and no enchants with the characters. Bro. Bro! This game... Oh my gosh, okay. So, I don't know where I'm going. I remember I found this before. Get out of my way, zombie. I remember... Wait. Where did I put it? Okay, where did I put... Where am I... Sorry. Let me clarify. Where did I go to find this? Okay, so I went... I don't ever... Nope. 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 Bro. I'll see you guys when I find this. There's no way you actually followed me here. Okay, so let me just kill you real quick. Okay. Why is my turning? Okay, whatever, who cares? Oh my gosh, I can't find this thing. Bro! Oh my gosh! Okay, finally found it. Let me picture the corn so that I don't get lost again. And let's go in here. Okay, I think I should make an Enderman farm. Oh no! I don't have any more stuff. Who cares? Okay, I need 2 stacks and a half. Oh. I need 2.5 stacks. Why is there 1 crystal? Okay, maybe I should. Why is there a crystal here? Did I never break it? Sorry. Did I never break that? Okay, whatever. Okay, I shouldn't do it. I shouldn't risk my hardcore world. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll see you guys when I get 1.5 stack of obsidian. Okay, so I only need 64 and 20, but let's watch this. But bro, like okay. Watch this. Okay, I missed the bucket. I missed the water bucket. I'm so sorry. What did I do? Get out of here. What did I ever do to you? Excalibur. Excalibur. Let's go home. And let's expand the goat farm. Woo, yeah. Did it. Let's go. Woo. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's not mind that. I need 4 buckets. I don't have any. I have raw iron. No. I have 1. I need 8.
By his aura, like imagine I was like destined for death.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Where's the goat farm? Okay. As you guys can see, I have already finished the goat farm. Just the flick of this. Open, break, and then a bunch of big. Yeah, those guys are gonna spawn and fall. But I will be expanding this so that I get a lot more XP and a lot more gold. I already grinded this. After I finish, I have that. I have all of these. All of that. I can make a lot of golden up. All of that and all of that. So yeah, you can pretty much start a grind. And I also have all of these. Who cares about that? So that's that. Nice. Okay. We are expanding this thing. Woohoo! Yeah. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Shucks. I swear if I get this wrong. 20, 22. Nice. And then let's expand this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And build like this. Oh, wait. I'm good. I still have these. Nice. Why is it this big? Because it's this big and that big and this. Okay, what am I saying? Okay. Next, I need dirt. Why? To freaking put ground on this thing. Okay, let's see. Wait, watch all these 4 slots. Boom, baby. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I need to fill this. Wait. Hold up. And this will be filled up. 3, 2, 1. Bang, baby. Oh my gosh. But it looks kind of ugly. So I think we should do that. Yeah, I think I should do a hardcore world, but the hardcore world is with my friend who is absolutely garbage, so I need to stop and enchant. Because he's so freaking garbage. Okay, nice. Let's actually make this look naturally terrain. Make this look a natural terrain. It's pretty good. Nice. Okay. And then let's just do something like this. Okay. Next, I need to make this like wall thingy. But and yep, this is why I'm the goat. Let's go here. Do that, and then I need to put all of these. I think I can expand it by like 2 more, but it's gonna be really hard, so this should be good. This should be good enough. Let's get this. Nice. Ooh, okay. Next, I need to build this. I need 6 observers. Wait. I need 36 thingies. Why does my finger hurt so much? Okay, wait. Sorry, my finger hurts. 2, 3. I need to take a break from Minecraft. I'm working on guys. And then I need you. Back. Also, while I'm mining this cobblestone, please subscribe. I'm trying my best to work around posting 3 videos a day. Please subscribe. I need this, please, bro. I need it. Okay. Okay. Next, I need 6 redstone and 6. I also need some render stuff. I need 6 redstone torches, 6. No, not 6 red. I need 6. Wait, I need 12 redstone. I need this. I need 12. Okay, there. Perfect. And then I need quartz. Yep, perfect. And then let's make our server. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Stone. This. And then I need some wood. Do I have any wood? I think okay. I need this. 1, 2, 3. What now? We're wondering. Actually, one more. Sorry. I need 1 lever. And where's my redstone? Where's my where where did I place my redstone? What the hell? Oh, there it is. Okay. I need 2 redstone torch, a repeater, and a redstone torch. So we are good now. Let's put that. Okay. So we don't really need it right now, but next I need lava. So let's go over here. I can't see anything. Hold up, let me turn up my render distance. I have egg chan render distance over here. 10 should be okay. Half of the render distance I was using. I'm pretty sure this. Yep, lava. Let's take that. Oh, let's take that, and then at few thousand blocks this way, there's powdered snow. So I'll see you guys when I get that. Sorry, it was this way. I'm so stupid. We are here. Let's find powdered snow. Yeah. I need to find. I'm pretty sure there's powdered. I'm 100% sure there's powdered snow around here. So let's just keep that. Let's just keep looking around. Oh, I'm seeing some. I got this. We got time right now. Let's keep looking. No. No. I remember I found some right here. Oh, here it is. I only needed 1. So I think we should get some extras because I probably I just need a few. I'll see you guys when I'm at my base. By the way, quick announcement. Every single time I'm off, like I'm not uploading, I'm gonna be grinding my butt off in the caves and then trying to get as much gold as possible. Alright, we are here. So I need. How am I supposed to put this with this thing here? I think we can just. Hold on, let's check out here. I'm not Piglet. Please, I'm not Piglet. I'm not freaking Piglet. No. Sorry, my dog's here. No, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put that there. Put that. Quickly before it melts. Put that. Go home, sleep. Okay, next we need. Okay, let's actually put that. Oh no, I need that. I'm so stupid. Okay. Let's put this. Let's put the powdered snow. That. This. That. And this. And the lever, that, and then the flick of a lever. It's all good. Okay. Next is a little complicated but it's really easy. I forgot how to do it. So I think my best bet is to check over here. Yeah. Okay, I got it. So I need to make this. Hold up. Let's get. No. Get that. Wait. Okay. I'm good. Let's put this back. And then put the rest of that. I did something so stupid. Let's put it that. Supposed to be like that. And then we need to do this. No, we don't need to cover that. Okay. Okay, and then we need to put a wall like that, and then I ran out of stone. So that's amazing. Let's just get a few more. Hold up. Let's get a few more stone. I have a secret bunker. No. Okay, we're gonna do this. The stupid spider. Okay. Let's get at least 20 stone. No, half step stone. Okay. Just gonna be real quick. And then let's go back. Oh no. Back. Here. Watch this. Yeah, I know I'm a genius, bro. I'm really stupid. Get that and then go over here. That doors. That. I need that. Put that. Do I need to cover it? Do I need to cover the top up? Nope, not necessary. Okay. We are finished. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have expanded the this. Since that's okay, I think I should fix this. Hold up. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. So I think I just need to do that. Okay. Oh my gosh, baby. Oh my goodness. So it breaks open, and then woo, baby. Alright. I have expanded my dairy farm. I'll see you guys next episode. I will need to expand my sugarcane farm. I will need to expand my sugarcane farm over there. But next episode. So I will see you guys next episode. Bye.